Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my January 2022 Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing. I am so excited about this. This box smells so good, so I bet there are some awesome products in here. So I'm pretty new to the monthly beauty subscription box from Look Fantastic, but I have been loving it so far. And I'm so grateful that this was sent to me for free. I always let you know when products are sent to me for free, but this is not a sponsored video. What I love about this is that it's one of the most affordable beauty subscriptions. So you can get this for as low as $16 a month if you sign up for a year subscription. If you just go month to month, it's only $19 and you get so much value in these boxes. So let's go ahead and see what's in the January box here. Also, it comes really beautifully packaged. Gosh, amazing product information here. My gosh, this is like a whole little magazine kind of with articles. I am excited to read through that. All right, let's get into the products here. Ooh, I see a pretty pink box. Ooh, this is from the brand Skin Chemists London. Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. I did not just pull out a lip plumper as my first product. I love lip plumpers. I am obsessed with trying lip plumpers. So this is so exciting. It says smooth over lips as needed, may be used alone or under lipstick. It has peppermint oil in it. So I have a series here on YouTube where I try out a new makeup product every day, and I think I'm gonna have to add this into my series. It's like a little lip gloss. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to try this. I feel like I'm not getting enough product information just on the packaging, so let's see what it says in here. Okay, so the Skin Chemist Rose Quartz Lip Balm boosts volume and adds shine with the perfectly pink lip plump from Skin Chemist. This nourishing formula provides a temporary boost to plump lips and leaves a shine for a pretty pout. So it pretty much just sounds like a plumping lip gloss, which I absolutely love, and I'm so excited to try. Wow, what an awesome first product to pull out. Next, we've got, lavender tea body wash from the brand Bubble Tea. I love the scent lavender, so this sounds really nice. I feel like it would be really like a relaxing, spa-like experience to use this in the shower. It says, let the feeling of this calm, moisturizing body wash hydrate and nourish your skin. A bespoke blend of fragrance of citrus, lavender, and tea extracts to soothe your skin and relax your mind. A clear botanical experience to add to your bedtime ritual. That seriously sounds so nice. And I love trying out different body washes. Oh, so this is the mystery product. Okay, I love to see that there are products that are different in this box than maybe what everyone else gets. Next up, I have a product here from Ahava, the Dead Sea Water Mineral Conditioner. I didn't even know that the brand Ahava made hair products. I have tried out so many lotions and creams from this brand, which are incredible. I'm actually currently using one of the lotions as my daily body lotion right now, and it's awesome. But I'm so excited to try out their conditioner. It looks like, okay, they also make a shampoo. So you could have gotten either the conditioner or the shampoo in your box. It provides hair with a shiny and silky soft look. And that is exactly what I want my conditioners to do. All right, next up, I think I actually have tried this before. This is from the brand This Works, and it's the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. It says, fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. I think this is such a fun product. Let's see if it smells the same as the one I've tried. Yeah, I think so. Just very relaxing. I don't think I've necessarily seen too much of a difference in my sleep when I've used this spray before, but it is still a nice experience. Add it into that ritual that it seems like a lot of these products are really falling into. The next product, I'm pulling out here. I'm excited that I recognize a lot of these brands. This is from the brand Polar, and it's the Eternal Snow Youthful Promise Cream with Arctic Flowers. So this is a really cool brand, and I've tried out a lot of products from this brand, and they're products that are designed for the Arctic temperatures. So it's really perfect for my dry skin in the winter, but it's just really nourishing products in general for any time. 95% natural origin. This cream forms a protective anti-age barrier. The skin is hydrated and regains its firmness and elasticity. Fine lines and wrinkles disappear, leaving the skin radiant and looking youthful. Well, that definitely sounds amazing to me. Another product to incorporate into that nighttime ritual, nice nighttime skin moisturizer. And then, wow, so many products in here. The last product that I got is this beautiful packaging from Bloom and Blossom, the Hands Up Age-Defying Hand Cream. Oh, I actually really need to put this on right now because my hands are very dry. But this is sticking with that theme of moisturizing the skin, that ritual, self-care ritual, and products for the cold, dry winter as well. So let's see. Oh my gosh, this smells so nice. Oh, wow. It almost smells like an incense kind of smell. Oh my gosh, so relaxing. So it has niacinamide to help improve the signs of skin damage. Wow. It has shea butter and ylang ylang in it. It says, powered by nourishing and soothing ingredients, this mighty hand cream is the ultimate hand savior for the cold winter months. I definitely need that. Enriched with shea butter, the hand cream delivers and locks in surge of hydration. Wow, I love the products that I got in this box. Great brands, great range of products, so much value in here. I'll do a quick recap to show you everything I got because that's a lot of products. So I got the Ahava Mineral Conditioner, the This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. And you know what? This is a great little travel size if you put this in your toiletry bag, because the full size of this that I have, or I guess not full size, but like the bigger size that I have, because this could be full size for travel size, but it's a little too big to bring along just for a little trip. But this would be so great to bring. And then if you're having trouble falling asleep or jet lag or something. And then the Polar Eternal Snow Cream, the Blossom and Blossom hand cream, no, Bloom and Blossom hand cream, the Bubble Tea Lavender Tea Body Wash, and the Skin Chemist London Rose Quartz Lip Plump. So if you've tried any of these products, please let me know your thoughts on them in the comments down below. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.